Hello, welcome back. I am Mark. Today we will be doing some live purchase. Right, as you can see, QQQ is down 1.3% due to Fed very hawkish statement again. So market has been pulling back a bit and reacting to the news and pricing in accordingly. And these are actually probably some good times whereby we can look for some stocks to enter, right, when they reach their key support line based on their previous pattern. So as usual, we'll be using trading view to view some stocks, and then through our filter, we'll be able to filter the better stocks with volatility, with volume, with the size itself. So today we'll be just looking more into Tesla, right? Since it made the news, right? We will be looking at Tesla. So for Tesla, you can see that it is tracing back to the 10-day EMA, and this has been ongoing for quite a fair bit of time, almost 4 weeks, right? Almost 1 month. Yep, almost 1 month. So it's actually a good time to buy in Tesla, right? If we have a trade around their 10-day EMA, since there's a very strong support line, it's a very strong support line for Tesla, at least from the pattern itself. So I have already placed some stop limit buy at this price point itself. So hopefully we'll be able to enter. Right, a few indicators that I do before purchasing the Tesla itself, purchasing the stock itself, is look at many other indicators. For example, 200-day EMA, 200-day MA must be below the price. That is the key. That's the most important indicator before I even look into any stock. For on the daily chart itself, why? It must be in a uptrend. It must be in a uptrend. Next, right, all the other EMAs, the shorter period will have to be above the the longer term moving average itself, indicating that in the short term, right, minimally at least at this case, the 200-day has been doing very well. So we can also so the reason why I do it at 10 p.m. right, is live trading, is so that we can see the very first candle on the 30 minutes chart itself. So for this Tesla, why I'm doing it is because when there's a sell off, right, pullback actually, we can actually gain some very valuable insight into this trading itself. So for Tesla, what we're going to see is that it has a low volume, very low volume compared, right, for this pullback. It just shows that there's no sign, right? It's just a reaction. People are not selling, right? Lesser people are selling, and there's a pullback on this price itself. That's why it's a very key time for us to enter. So I've actually placed a limit buy on the 10-day EMA, right? So what kind of pricing, as usual, we'll then move on to look at the risk. Very, very important, the risk itself, right? We put in the stock price, which is at the EMA itself, 10-day EMA, ATR. I look at the ATR, which is 11.232, right? And various different risk points, like 1% to 0.5%. So for myself, I'll be doing the pyramiding method. That's why I'll be doing a 0.6%. So should it go against me, I only risk $57, right, on a capital of 9,500, which is 0.6%. And stop loss is at 242.1, which is very, very far away. Very good, very sufficient space for Tesla to retrace. Right, so a few of the technical indicators have already showed that Tesla will be going the quite a good way. Right, should we enter? That's why I think we should enter at this good price point. Next, we want to look at the important things again. People must be buying Tesla. Right, we must be buying Tesla. Yep, 29.9 million. Yep, 78.08 million. Okay. Some sales, okay, to few hundred Ks. Yep. So institutional are actually taking up a lot of Tesla, right? Everywhere across the board are taking up Tesla. So yep, it's a good time. And revenue is rising, net income is rising, profit margin is rising. Right? Is that in the short term? No, it's in the long term. Wow, debt is dropping. Wow. So we can see that Tesla is indeed a very good stock to purchase. Right, so now we just need to wait for it to enter the price point and then limit buy it. Yeah, and hopefully we will profit from it. And with that, I've come to the end of my sharing today. Hopefully, if you like my channel, it have benefited you, or you like the video, please give me a like on the video and subscribe to me for more in the future.